From the twinkling stars in our night sky to the swirling galaxies far beyond, the universe is a tapestry of wonder and mystery. Today we embark on an exhilarating journey to uncover fascinating facts about space. Welcome to your channel name. Let's dive right in. Imagine measuring an ocean with a teaspoon. That's the challenge of contemplating the universe's size. It's around 93 billion light-years in diameter and expanding. Space-time stretches, pushing galaxies apart at incredible speeds. No matter how far we travel, there's always more to explore. Just like humans are born from dust and return to dust, stars have their own cosmic cradles. Immense clouds of gas and dust called nebulae coalesce to ignite new stars. Gravity acts as a cosmic sculptor, pulling together hydrogen and helium until nuclear fusion ignites and a star is born. Our sun, the giver of life, the center of our solar system, seems huge, right? And it is by our standards. But in the grand cosmic scheme, our sun is a middle child, a yellow dwarf, a common type of star. There are stars hundreds of times larger and millions of times brighter. But don't let that diminish its importance. Our sun is perfectly suited for life on Earth, providing just the right amount of heat and light for us to thrive. It's a cosmic balancing act that makes our existence possible. Imagine a place where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. That's a black hole. These objects are remnants of massive stars that collapsed, creating regions of space-time so warped they defy physics. From a distance, black holes are fascinating objects that challenge our understanding of the universe. Stars like us are born, they live and they die. Their lifespans are in billions of years. A star's life is nuclear fusion, collapse, and demise. Red dwarfs live long, slow lives, sipping hydrogen for billions of years. Massive stars, like rock stars, live fast and die young, blazing for a few million years before a supernova explosion. In the classic movie Alien, the tagline is chillingly accurate. In space, no one can hear you scream. It's a stark reminder that space is a vacuum, devoid of the air molecules that sound waves need to travel. It's a realm where our senses would be useless, and we would be entirely reliant on technology to navigate and survive. Look up at the night sky and you'll see a faint band of light stretching across the heavens. That's the Milky Way, our home galaxy. Our solar system is in one of its spiral arms, about 2/3 out from the center. And here's the mind-blowing part. The Milky Way is just one of billions of galaxies in the observable universe. Imagine a teaspoon of material so dense it weighs as much as Mount Everest. That's the reality of a neutron star. These are the collapsed cores of massive stars that exploded as supernovae. Neutron stars are tiny, about 12 miles in diameter, but they spin rapidly, emitting beams of radiation like cosmic lighthouses. Light zips through space at 186,000 miles per second. When we look at distant objects, we're seeing them as they were in the past. The light from the Andromeda Galaxy takes about 2.5 million years to reach us. Our sun may be a big deal in our solar system, but in the grand cosmic arena, it's just a speck of dust compared to some of the stellar behemoths out there. Take UY Scuti, for example. This hypergiant star is the largest known star in the universe. If you were to place UY Scuti at the center of our solar system, its outer layers would extend beyond the orbit of Jupiter. Our sun may be a big deal in our solar system, but in the grand cosmic arena, it's just a speck of dust compared to some of the stellar behemoths out there. Take UY Scuti, for example. This hypergiant star is the largest known. If you placed UY Scuti at the center of our solar system, its outer layers would extend beyond Jupiter's orbit. Remember Luke Skywalker gazing wistfully at the two suns setting on his desert planet of Tatooine? It turns out that having two suns isn't just science fiction. Astronomers have discovered planets, called circumbinary planets, that orbit two stars. Imagine the view from one of these planets, two suns in the sky, casting double shadows, creating a celestial spectacle unlike anything we experience here on Earth. Stars may look like twinkling points of white light to the naked eye, but they actually come in a beautiful array of colors. These colors reveal a star's temperature. Red stars are the coolest, while blue stars are the hottest, burning with incredible intensity. Our sun falls somewhere in between, with a surface temperature of about 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit, giving it a yellowish-white hue. Black holes are notoriously difficult to detect. They don't emit any light of their own. Cygnus X1, discovered in 1964, emitted X-rays as it pulled material from a nearby star. This confirmed Einstein's theory of general relativity and opened a new era of black hole astronomy. Space may be vast, but it's not as empty as we once thought. Earth's orbit is becoming increasingly cluttered with space debris. This space junk poses a serious threat to active satellites and spacecraft. Scientists and engineers are working on solutions to clean up this orbital debris, but it's a complex and challenging task. When we look up at the night sky, we're not just seeing stars as they are now, we're seeing light that has traveled for millions of years to reach us. Some of the stars we see may no longer exist. They might have exploded as supernovae or collapsed into black holes. The light from these stars continues to travel through space, carrying a message from the past. The universe is a vast and awe-inspiring place, full of wonders that continue to challenge our understanding. From the birth and death of stars to the mysteries of black holes, there's always something new to discover. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more cosmic content. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars.